So today we are going to introduce the street food from 3 countries, Singapore, Japan, and Germany. And let us start with Singapore. So this is one street food market in Singapore, and this restaurant is selling noodles, and this is actually a Michelin restaurant. And as you can see, this is 3 or 4 Singapore dollar, which is like 2 to 3 euros. And this is called lor mee, and some bit thick noodle with gravy sauce and eggs, and the fry is actually the shark fries.
What?
Shark.
Wow.
Yeah. And this is also small shark fries. And some pork as well. Yeah, here. And some, this is, I think, fish cake or fish bowl.
Looks so yummy.
It looks really yummy.
It's want to try it again. And this is hot, and the gravy sauce tastes really nice, and this thick noodle also, texture was nice. And this shark fry is, you can listen to the crispiness. Really nice inside. Yeah, and this is less than 5 Singapore dollar. It's crazy. That's so good. I finish it.
Michelin.
But
Oh my god.
before
Michelin
getting
is so
it,
affordable.
I had to queue 30 minutes.
What? 30 minutes?
Really?
Oh, that's
What
long.
time did you go?
And the second one, this is dessert. This is actually bean curd with some sugar sauce. Yeah, and this is actually hot.
It's hot? I thought it would be cold.
Yeah. I thought this is cold as well. But hot. A bit surprised. But yeah, it's really fresh. And the third one, this is called popia, and kind of spring roll. You can see some vegetables. I think radish and carrot and sprout and egg inside. And this is a bit weird one. This is called carrot cake. You cannot see any carrot. This is actually radish. And also this is called cake, but never be such sweet. The sauce is actually the oyster sauce and I think soy sauce. And this is egg, fried egg. So basically it's a carrot cake consisting of radish and eggs. This one
This one so nice.
So I took away, and this is actually the roast pork rice. With pork on top.
Sorry, this one you take away from the same market?
Yes, exactly.
With rice?
Yes.
Oh.
Everything was on one package, and the small cucumber on the top left, and the red one is spicy sauce. Yeah, this is really nice taste. Bit spicy, and as you can see, the sauce on top of rice. This was also really cheap, 3 to 4 Singapore dollar. Yeah, it was amazing.
Okay, this is my turn from Japan. The first thing that I'm gonna introduce is a sweets, hot sweets. We call it taiyaki. So it's basically named from fish, grilled fish or something, but it's sweet. And it's like a savory crepe or pancake. Outside and then inside, usually you have red beans, sweetened red beans, which is called anko in Japan, and then this is really my favorite. But I think some people from outside Japan doesn't like anko, the red beans, so I chose another one, which is custard cream inside. It is more maybe familiar with many people, but I still like the anko one. And usually this street food is good for winter rather than summer because it's hot. But they look so cute, and they have like good portion to eat, so it's a good snack on the street. If it's not a COVID-19 situation, maybe I can just go and eat outside.
The dough looks pretty thin as well. The filling is alive.
The next one is the grilled chicken skewers and with some spice.
This one looks nice.
Yeah, and then usually in Japan, we call it yakitori. And then when you say just yakitori, it means a lot. Like, it means a lot of different parts of the bird. So basically, they have a different name on each part, just for yakitori.
Wow.
You miss it? Yeah, I use micro oven to make it a little bit warmer, and then they look more tasty. And then I put some spice on top of the skewers. This is called shichimi, the spices that I'm using. Shichimi means like 7 different spices into one. And the left side of the dish has like salty, flavored skewers, and the right side is like more sauce.
Oh, okay.
Tare? Yes, we call it tare, but it's more like you can eat chicken and then eat chicken. That's a very typical yakitori in Japan. Again, and then the next one, if I'm correct, it's skin. I think it's skin of the bird, and it's really tender and a softy texture. And the third one is, I think it's sunagimo, so which is gizzard in English. I'm not so sure the correct one.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's gizzard. So it has more like crunchy texture. The first one is heart. So we Japanese also call it heart. So it's a heart of the bird.
So there are like 5 birds there.
Sorry, don't say that. Thank you.
It must be the expensive part.
Should be. And then the next one is, we call it ikara, but it doesn't mean the area of the bird, which we just call it ikara because they need 2 skewers. So they need ikara is like a boat. So, and then this place of the bird is chicken wings before, and then this is a chicken meatball. Last one is takoyaki. I think it's the best. Yes, I think it's the best street food in Japan. So you can put mayonnaise on top of takoyaki. Oh, taco, by the way, taco means octopus. So you can see later, inside it has octopus. It's a piece of the octopus.
I see you love mayonnaise.
Yeah. I tried to put on more nicely, but it was difficult. And usually you can eat this takoyaki by using this stick. And then this is made from flour and maybe some cabbages and octopus inside here. So I think it tastes like a savory crepe or maybe, I don't know, maybe, yeah, crepe or pancake, savory pancake, but it's more has a strong flavor because you're using the thick sauce and mayonnaise. You can eat this takoyaki in an izakaya or the casual restaurant in Japan, but you can also enjoy this on the street when we have a very typical traditional festival. And then everyone loves it, I think.
Okay, and now to Germany. So if you talk about street food in Berlin, you cannot miss these two foods, currywurst and doner kebab. I ordered this from a delivery app. Currywurst is with fries and a small doner box. This is sausage with sauce and curry powder. Because it's delivery, so it's not as fresh, you can see that the fries are a little soggy. The currywurst is still good. I ordered some sauce extra. So the box is, this currywurst is actually 4.80 euro.
That's nice.
And the doner box is 5.20 euro for a small size. It's like very small, smaller than my hands, but it's really packed with meat and salad. So you can choose to have salad on the side or fries, but I choose salads this time.
Sorry, what is this by the way?
It's meat.
Okay. Very thin meat.
Doner meat. And with herb sauce, you can make the herb sauce. And I ordered extra cheese inside, so there's a little bit of cheese in salad.
Oh, so veggies inside.
Very good for after drink or party food.
Is it
so
because
because
street
it's,
food?
yes, it is actually, because there's a lot of Turkish people here, so I think this is what they bring as well. So I brought you to this, real stand, the curry 36, and I ordered the first menu to currywurst with fries. So these are two types. So one is with skin, and the other one is without skin. And we ordered without skin because I heard it's something special in Berlin. So this is the one without skin. Really nice. And the fries are pretty crispy too. So actually I had this for dinner. A lot of mayo, and it's quite popular stand. You can see people order it from morning to night, the whole time. Yeah, after maybe within 5 minutes, this disappeared. I like this more than the take-home one because it's still very fresh and crispy.
Yeah, potato looks much better. Yeah, couldn't get enough. Good, very good, recommended.
Goodbye and see you in the next video. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye bye.